Hey y'all, what is up? I don't know what my hand is doing right now. I've been listening to some podcasts and I was in my closet and I was putting away my laundry and I was like, you know what? I am going to go through all of my clothes and get rid of stuff. Yeah, I wanted to go through it all again, and I have kept on to a lot of things, but I like never wear them. So, because I always think of like, I will have an occasion in the future where I might need this, but then I never do. So yeah, I was going through my closet, I organized and everything and got rid of things. I need to put those away. These two bags are full from just my closet. My mom and I had a garage sale a couple months ago, whenever that was. Like, I haven't gotten rid of hardly any of my clothes since I've, like, my whole life from growing up and everything, so I have so much. I have a lot on my bed right now. This I actually got for, it's just like a little rack to hang up clothes. I think I'm gonna keep this in my room and reorganize a little bit of my room so I can have this for like certain pieces and just things like that. But I got it for the garage sale on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below and I'll show you in a second. But anyway, longest intro ever. Today I thought I might as well just vlog and show you guys like the process of decluttering. We had talked about saving everything for having a garage sale in the spring, but I am just so tired of having all of this stuff just be there, not being used, or just, it's just sitting there, just pointless, and I feel like that's just too much of a hassle. And yeah, I could make some money that would help me out, but at the same time, I think I've just decided, I decided this last night for sure, that I want to donate all of my clothes, and there is a lot, and there's like accessories and scarves and shoes and all that stuff, and jewelry too. It'll be going to a great cause. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Obviously we had our garage sale in our garage, so I'm just getting tired. I've been getting everything up from the garage, up the stairs to my room, and because I live a flight up is where my room is, on the second level, and then I'm going to be taking stickers off of everything, folding them, putting them in trash bags, maybe showing you a few pieces. We'll see how it goes. I might show you my closet after I have everything done, so you can see, and like how I style my rack that I have in my room. So without further ado, after a million minutes of talking for my intro and letting you guys know what is up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. So far, I have all of this and all of that just from the garage sale part, and there's still more to go to bring up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some more stuff and then get trash bags, and then we'll get started. Oh my gosh. There's still more to go. I think I'm just gonna get the rest of the clothes, like shirts and stuff, and then get everything else later. Oh, my battery's about to die. Well, I got these, so hold on. Okay, I just set you on top of the giant mountain of clothes that I just all the way brought up. And I just brought a roll of trash bags. I don't know how many I'm gonna need. And I got my big Sharpie, my fat Sharpie, ready to go to write down like what's inside. I'm gonna take my shoes off because it's hot in here. It's warm. And I'm going up and down the stairs a lot. Okay, so let me just show you. Here is the giant mountain of clothes from the garage sale. Look at how many. I'm saying that there are clothes from all the way back to like, I want to say maybe 6th grade and up. And I'm 21, so there's a lot. I don't know if it cut me off or not. First of all, my battery, no, that was earlier. No, not my battery, my SD card said there was no space left. There actually was, and I had to get stuff on my computer and then erase and format the card. But we're all good now, and I was getting warm, so I changed my shirt. This one's really cute. It says love, and then 1 Corinthians 13, 4-5. And then on the back, it says, love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. Yeah, my hair is a mess, but that's okay because we're getting stuff done. I'm gonna finally focus, thank you. I'm gonna finally get started, so let's do this thing. Woo! Before I get started, I just wanted to shout out What We Said podcast by Jason Marie and Chelsea. I forget her last name, but they are actually on YouTube, and they're such a big inspiration. I love them, and you should definitely go follow What We Said podcast. So I'm going to be listening to them while I get some stuff done and put this in a little fast motion for you. So let's go. Okay, I just had to pause it real quick because this shirt I have had forever. Like, some of these shirts are so old. Oh my gosh, that's all. Okay, I already put some of the stuff away, but I used to be like, maroon was my color. Like, I wore this all the time. I don't know why, because now looking at it, I'm like, I do not look good in this color. Like, it does not compliment me, but for some reason, when I was younger, I used to wear the color all the time. Okay, so like this, for instance, I think I got this in one of my like thrift hauls like a while ago, actually. It's super cute. It's just this little jacket or whatever. It has like really cute buttons and details and stuff, but it's just too big. Yeah, it's actually a petite size large. I wore it some, but I didn't grab for it all the time. So like, it's really cute, but it just doesn't fit right. So like, some of the stuff might be really cute. I still kind of like it, but I either just never grab for it, or it doesn't fit right, or I just don't need it. So I don't know. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags full of clothes. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's a lot. I have all of this and all of that, so I think it was like halfway, maybe a little more than halfway through. Yeah, like here are all the hangers that I've taken off so far. So we're making progress, and I'm feeling really good about this, just donating it instead of trying to keep it and sell it and make money off of it. So let's keep going. I will check back in after I get all of these in bags, and then I will get accessories and shoes and all that type of stuff up here, and then get those in bags, and then see the result, and then show you my closet, and then do my rack and all the other stuff. Okay. Whew. Okay, so alright, I just finished getting all the clothes put in trash bags. These are all of the hangers from when I had them up for the garage sale. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trash bags full of clothes, and I don't even have accessories. I think tomorrow I'm going to continue this till tomorrow and do shoes and accessories and scarves and jewelry and all of that kind of stuff, and put those together in bags. And then once I have everything I am donating, then I will show you the final product. I'm not sure when, if I'm gonna do it tonight or tomorrow, but the rack and situate my room and maybe like put a few things on there and organize that. So we will see. My bed is all clear, and I have all the bags of my clothes done. Also, it's weird because I live in Missouri, and the sunset starts at about 5 o'clock. It's like 5:04 or something, or I don't even know now. But it's been about 5 o'clock every night, every day, which is weird. So the day goes by very fast. I'm going to continue this till tomorrow, and I will give you the update then. So peace out till then. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. I already did my workout, and I took a shower. I'm clean and ready for the day. So I just want to go ahead, it's really dark, sorry about that, go ahead and show you guys kind of the arrangement I did. I changed up in this little corner of my room real quick. Okay, so when you walk in, there's my bed and everything. This corner to the right, I did have that over there, and I had a lamp lamp in the corner before with the stuff on the wall. You kind of saw it before, I think. Now I have this my everyday purse that I'm using at the moment. I have a few festive Christmas records and things here, fake plant pot over there, and then the remote and a yummy, 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 yummy candle, vanilla pumpkin latte, so good. And then there's just my record player. On the bottom, I have my boots because I've been wearing them lately, but I just have 3 snake skin purses that I've been using in my Polaroid. And then, so this is the rack that I had got for the garage sale, and I went ahead and it has 2 rods. So I have my like brown nice fur jacket. I actually got this from a thrift store like last year, I think. And then just my like, you know, normal cozy coat. I always color code, if you can tell. Just some long sleeve hoodies and shirts and stuff. So I just go from neutrals to greens to cools to blacks and all that. This was there before. It kind of covers it up, but I don't really mind. And then I need to put some like pictures and stuff there. But yeah, so that's what I did with my little corner of my room. After I worked out, I decided, and before I get ready, I decided to bring up everything from the garage to my room to bag up. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have. And I already bagged up all the pants and then all the shoes, so I need to move those to all the ready area. So I have shoes move over here, and then these are all pants, and it was kind of gross because there was like bugs and spiders, but they were all dead, so that was fun. Alright, so I just have purses and bags and stuff, hats, scarves, headbands, socks, stuff like that, jewelry, hair pieces, and then a bunch of Ipsy bags and belts, and then some like wallets and stuff like that. So basically just accessories is the last little bit that I need to put up. Okay, just real quick, I want to shout out this purse from TJ Maxx. You guys definitely need to shop there. I've had this for years, seriously years. It's by Steve Madden, and I used it to where I can't use it anymore. Like, I have gotten my use out of it. It's just so cute. It's like the perfect size, but the time has come and it is ready to be in another home. So shout out to TJ Maxx and Steve Madden. I love this purse, but it's time to move on. Okay, I just marked all of the bags. I have, let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I just have to put these in like a Walmart bag or something. It's like jewelry. Okay, so I just got 2 Sprouts bags. I put them inside each other. So all of the jewelry, the necklaces, big necklaces, whatever, are all like separate. But basically, if it's like a smaller thing, if it's no rings or earrings or bracelets or pendants or stuff like that, they're all in baggies already because we did that for the garage sale. So I'm just gonna leave those in there so it's easier for them, and then yeah, put it all in there. All right, so everything is all packed up. Let's go. I'm gonna go show you my closet now. Wow, love this. For me, it's so dark. This is actually the guest closet, but I use it as mine. I just imagine this closet way more cramped, and not everything that I'm giving away is like stuff I wore that was in here, since some of it was in storage downstairs that I wore when I was younger. But yeah, I'm just very happy with everything now. It's like filled out, but it's like spaced out, if that makes sense. So it's not, it just feels cleaner and more organized. So let's show you. All right, so when you first walk in, I still need a different curtain for here. This is literally my old shower curtain that I have pinned up with clothespins. First walk in, and I have these shelves on both sides. So on the bottom, I just have heels, sandals, sneaker type things, more heels. And then on the right, on the floor, I just have all of my boots and booties and stuff like that. On the rest of the shelves, I have 6 baskets full of stuff. Oh, by the way, my mug collection is up on the top of these shelves. But I just have a few hats. These are all, I have my like nice long dresses in the back, formal, and then my other dresses, skirts, and pants, and my one pajama suit. And then to the left, I put my purses up here. I have a few backpacks and little purses, fanny pack, and then I have like my workout tops. These are from Free People. I absolutely love them. They're a little pricey. I think they're $30, but I don't have to wear a bra with them, and they're just like super comfortable. Totally recommend. I want to get more colors. And then I just have like unused hangers, sport shorts and leggings and stuff like that, and then all of my long sleeve stuff. I have like sports bras and different things up there, and then to the right up here is just short sleeve t-shirts and shirts and stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, and then dance shoes up there. Also, what I think I want to do with this rack and stuff, whenever I have like new arrivals, so like anything that I have bought recently I haven't worn yet or stuff like that, I think I'm gonna hang there once I start getting more stuff. I'm a person that really like change, and sometimes I just get tired of the same thing all the time. I think once I get down to like my staples and like even narrow down my wardrobe even more as I buy more things that I really love, I think narrow it down to having only things in my wardrobe and closet, collection, whatever you want to call it, that I like absolutely love and will wear all the time. I don't want to have anything extra. So yeah, that's my goal. But I think I'm going to load up my car and go ahead and go donate all these bags of clothes. And that's it for this video. So I hope you liked this little decluttering kind of organizing video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am getting back on the wagon recently, so more videos, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos so you can see my content. Follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and we're on YouTube, and TikTok. I'm not doing that. It's all just at Madison Heiser. So go follow those if you want to follow along my journey and support me, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.